It's just like an AR with a belt fed. So generally this would be full auto, but we're in Vegas, so you can't. So anytime we shoot full auto, we drive like 30 minutes out. We got laws, dude, in America. It's real bad.
So what is it, semi-auto or what?
Semi-auto, yeah. I didn't want to get you guys thrown in prison.
Thank you. Arman, out to the air.
Don't say that. What are you saying? I don't know.
It's on camera. It's on camera. Yeah, it's all blanks. Everything's blanks.